Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. Before we even get started on this pretty Shadowsence look, please hit the subscribe button. Please also don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. First come, first serve. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so I wanted to hop on and show you this really pretty Shadowsence look. I already did all of my makeup, as you can tell, and these are the two colors I am going to be showing you. Sandstone, I can never say this one right. Sandstone PeralShimmer, very pretty, and CandiedCoccashimmwr. So, I am going to start off with Sandstone PeralShimmer, and I'm just going to add some all over my eye. Remember, you have 60 to 90 seconds before this dries, and I'm going to use my brush from CandiedCoccashimmwr. It's waterproof, smudge-proof, crease-proof, anti-aging, the Shadowsence. That's what I love about it. And the most things that I love is that it won't come off until you take it off. So, look at that color just alone. Very pretty. Now, you could start with natural tan, and I might do that. I don't know. I kind of just like this. Then I'm going to go in with my CandiedCoccashimmwr, and I'm just going to add it a little bit to my lash line. And pat it in to my eye. Now, I dropped the newest CandiedCoccashimmwr. I'm going to add some more. See? Oh, I got it on my whole eye. But that's okay. I am going to go in with another brush I have from CandiedCoccashimmwr. And I'm just going to go just like that. It's very natural, very pretty. And then I'm just gonna add Sandstone PeralShimmer. Again, all over. Sorry, I'm like looking in the mirror. Same brush I just used. So, I'm going to, there you go. I think that this is very, very pretty. I'm going to add more Sandstone PeralShimmer. And I'm going to pat it in instead of swiping it. Just like that. So, yeah, I really like these two together. It's very pretty, simple, like I really like it. I'm going to add a tiny dot to the corner of my eye. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, there's a little dot. And I'm going to take another brush, a small eyeshadow brush by CandiedCoccashimmwr from Target, and lightly go over. There we go. Very simple and pretty. Where is the one I just used? Oh, right here. Right in front of my face, guys. Okay, I'm adding more Sandstone Pearl. And I'm adding a little bit in the corners of my eye. And I just got some where I put my highlight. But works. So now I'm taking my Real Technique Crease Dual brush. I'm patting it in to the corner of my eye. And I might not even brush it. No. Well, maybe. So I am running out of this, so I'm gonna need to get some more. But I really like these two together. CandiedCoccashimmwr and Sandstone PeralShimmer. Like, it's very earthy tone. And as you can tell, I like natural, like, tones. So I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Expedition mascara. Lightly just brush it on my eyelashes. Okay, down on the corner. Sorry, I'm being so quiet because I don't want to look like I have raccoon eyes, but it definitely, like, I like it a lot. So I'm going to finish up my mascara and I will come back with the end result of this Shadowsence very pretty look, or pretty Shadowsence look. I will be back. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this pretty eyeshadow look, pretty Shadowsence look. I really like it. It's one of my favorites. It's very natural and easy to do. Even though I'm just staying home around the house, not doing anything, I did get ready. But I am so in love with this look. Please don't forget to like this video or give me a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.